Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to apply reissue Indian passport in Denmark or any other European country. You can follow same instruction and you can very easily receive new passport if your passport going to expire. So in this video, I'll provide you which documents you require, how to fill out this application, and where is available Indian Embassy. You can choose as an Indian Embassy located on Berlin, Hamburg, Italy or any other European country, but application process are same. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, I will tell you this is the Indian Embassy located on Copenhagen, Denmark. How many documents you are required and how to fill out this application. First of all, you need to take a pictures of 5 cm by 5 cm for the passport photograph, current passport original copy, as well as you can take a printout first page and last page, residence permit, work permit, CPR card and self-address stamp employment. So those documents is not required. You require just only 5 documents. So I will show it to you here. So look at this. Those are documents I needed. First is passport, just only first page and last page, residence permit of my current, both sides printout, and third one is a yellow card. So those 4 documents is required. One more important point, you need to passport pictures, and here is my application. I fill out the all entire application and fill out this application. So you need to take a printout and visit the passport office. So where you fill out this application, look at this. If you are living in Denmark, so this video is very helpful for you. Here, print out, duly fill out. So simply click here. Look at this here. If you want reissue your passport going to expire, so I just simply click on that particular link and all European and other countries are coming here. So you can choose one of your country, otherwise choose Denmark if you are living in Denmark. So here register, track, login ID in Indian Embassy. So simply register. As a register point of view, you fill out all detail here: embassy consult, first name, last name, date of birth, email address, do you want email address, yes or no, login ID, password, hint question, hint answer, and the captcha, and then register. And then after you receive one of the login ID, and then here you just simply put it this login ID here, captcha 7, and then after you can fill out entire application. Like look at this here, several options are available here: ordinary password, like a fresh passport, or reissue passport, blue cover passport. So you can click here, one of application is going on here, like suppose for example application for reissue, my passport is validity expired, that's why. Normal or Tatkal, normal. And here 36 page or 60 page, I go with 36 page. 36 page passport price is here in Denmark 436 Danish krona. If you are going to 60 page, so you need to pay 612 Danish krona. I go with 36 only. And then you need to complete this application form, like application detail, family detail, application address, emergency contact, previous passport detail, other detail, passport review, and passport detail verification. After you complete this application, you are receiving such kind of application number, and this is your file number you can consider. And then after you can take a printout. So printout is going on this way. You need to signature here, put it here, your photograph 5 by 5 signature, as well as the last page signature, and then take a printout. It's very simple, and even all documents self-attested is also required. So if you are living in Denmark, so you need to just only 3 documents and one of the application. So take a printout and visit Indian Embassy. The remaining video we will see some of the footage of embassy. Even I already put it the address on video description as well. This is a yes train station, is very near to the Indian Embassy, and that station maybe the Swan Road station. So here you can take yes train from the central train station and reach here very easily. Otherwise different buses also available. See the train station.
Næste stop, Strandvænget.
Otherwise this is the bus stop nearest Indian Embassy. Now I walk from this bus stop to the embassy, and this distance just only 350 meters. For Eastern station is very near, around 300 meter walking distance. तो यहाँ पर आकर आप आपके डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट कर सकते हो. Indian Embassy located on Copenhagen, Denmark. Tiranga. Hello, I want to submit my application.
It's the next door, which is your left side.
Left side next.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. यहाँ पर आप पासपोर्ट एप्लीकेशन सबमिट कर सकते हैं. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.